Imagine this. It's the year 2030. You wake up in your dream home, pour yourself a cup of coffee, and open your investment portfolio. Instead of stress or confusion, you're greeted with numbers that bring a smile to your face. What got you here? Wise investment choices. But here's the burning question. Did you make it with stocks, or was it bonds? Stocks and bonds are like the Batman and Robin of investing. Both play crucial roles, but one might be better suited to your journey to wealth. In the next 7 minutes, we're breaking it down so you can confidently decide which one deserves a spot in your financial arsenal. Let's get started. Comparing stocks and bonds. Stocks, when you invest in stocks, you're buying a piece of a company, literally. As that company grows, so does your investment. Sounds exciting, right? Well, here's the catch. Stocks can be as unpredictable as trying to predict the weather in New York. One day sunny gains, the next torrential losses. Ever feel like stocks are just legalized gambling? Don't worry, it's not. But if you go in blind, you might as well flip a coin. The good news? Stocks historically offer higher returns compared to bonds. If you're in your 20s or 30s and can ride out the ups and downs, stocks might just be your ticket to serious wealth. But before you dive headfirst into the stock market, let's talk about the other contender. Bonds. The steady hand bonds, on the other hand, are like that dependable friend who always shows up on time. When you buy a bond, you're essentially lending money to a government or company. In return, they promise to pay you back with interest. Simple, predictable, reliable. Sounds too good to be true? Well, there's a catch. The returns on bonds are usually lower than stocks. But here's why they matter. Bonds provide stability. When markets crash and stocks plummet, bonds are often the cushion that keeps your portfolio intact. Think of them as the anchor in a storm. Plus, bonds don't give you sleepless nights. Unless, of course, you're dreaming about how boring they are. So, now you're probably wondering, stocks versus bonds, which should you choose? Should you go all in on the adrenaline of stocks or play it safe with bonds? Here's the key. It depends on you. If you're young, have time on your side, and can stomach risk, lean into stocks. They're like planting an orchard. It takes time, but the harvest can be life-changing. But what if you're someone who hates the idea of losing money? That's where bonds come in. They're your safety net. They're not flashy, but they're reliable. The sweet spot? A balanced approach. A mix of stocks and bonds tailored to your goals can give you the best of both worlds, growth and security. But wait, how do you know what mix is right for you? Here's the truth. The right investment strategy isn't just about numbers. It's about understanding yourself, your goals, your tolerance for risk, and your timeline. Because when it comes to building wealth, it's not just about working hard, it's about working smart. The best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is today. So are you ready to take the first step? If you're wondering, how do I even get started? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Click on this video right here, where I break down the basics of investing in simple terms to get you on the fast track to financial freedom. Don't wait. Your wealthy future is calling.